Carlos Slim Helú. Name: Carlos Slim Helú. Profession: businessman. Nationality: Lebanese Mexican. Date of birth: January 28, 1940. Place of birth: Mexico City, Mexico. Why a billionaire? Telecommunications. Carlos Slim Helú learned from an early age the value of family as a priority in life. He also received his first business lessons as a child. His father, Don Julian, gave each of his children a savings book. They would receive a weekly allowance in order for them to learn to manage their income and expenses. From that time, investment and savings were part of young Carlos's life. He opened his first check account and bought shares when he was only 12 years old. With his parents and 5 siblings, Carlos Slim Helú grew up in a close, loving family that taught by good example. In 1953, when Carlos was only 13 years old, Don Julian died suddenly. It was a sad and unexpected event. Carlos Slim Helú studied civil engineering at the NAM School of Engineering, where he also taught while studying for his degree. This meant that he was a student and professor at the same time. In 1965, when he was only 25 years old, he began to build the foundations of his company called Grupo Carso. He married Somaya Dalmat Jamail, also a Lebanese Mexican, in 1967. They had 6 children. 1982 was a bad time in the history of Mexico with the debt crisis, and Carlos Slim decided to invest seriously. In 1990, the Grupo Carso acquired the company Telmex. Over 16 years, Telmex developed a world-class technological platform. In 2010, he was the wealthiest person in the world with a net worth of around $53.5 billion. Questions. 1. Who was Carlos's father, and how did he teach his children to manage their expenses? 2. At what age did he open up his first check account? 3. How many brothers and sisters did he have? 4. What did Carlos study? 5. What did he build in 1965? 6. Whom did he marry? 7. Which company did he acquire in 1990? 8. In 2010, what was his net worth? 9. What made him a billionaire? 10. When did his father die? Vocabulary. Give the meaning of the following words. Use them in a sentence. 1. Priority. 2. Allowance. 3. Income. 4. Expenses. 5. Investment. 6. Siblings. 7. Foundation. 8. Acquired.